I'm Gabor Barabas, and I'm the executive producer of New Jersey Repertory Company. We started the theater about 20 years ago on Lower Broadway, and the goal was to start a theater that would develop and produce new plays. And as an extra bonus and icing on the cake, we had this crazy vision that we might even impact on the economic health and vitality of the community. Suddenly we're approached out of left field by these two passionate individuals, Andrea Fox and Susan Marco, who brought this idea to us that they had come across. I believe it started in Oregon, I believe. This concept of communities building what's called a unity tent that would represent the fabric of the community.
I'm SuzAnne Marco. I'm the Vice President of SHINE, Women of Long Branch. And I, a couple of years ago, online, found this project, the Unity Project. And I was so inspired by it, I had to find a way to do it in Long Branch. So I brought it to the women of our organization, and they were 100% behind it. They said, yes, this is fantastic, let's do it. And that's how it was born. The Unity Tent and the original Unity Project was a way of bringing the community together in a way that was inclusive and a way that illustrates how much more alike we are than separate. We reached out to the community and we asked for financial support, and there were many people that stepped up and were very willing to support the project on that level. I knew that I had to find somebody who could actually build the bolts, build the nuts, put it together in an artistic way. And that's when I reached out to our president, Andrea Fox, who is probably one of the best artists I know, and creative minds. And she jumped right on it. And honestly, it wouldn't have happened without her, because she had the idea of how to put it together in our community in a way that would work for the space that we're in.
My name is Andrea Fox. I'm president of SHINE, Women of Long Branch. And the project came about because Susan found this project that was perfect for our group to come out we just formed this group after SHINE 100 Women of Long Branch photo show inspired some women to kind of stick together and see what else we could do community-wise. Susan brought this project. It was a perfect coming out kind of project. It was big enough that the community be involved. It suited our two pillars of our mission statement, which is personal growth and community growth. So we did it. We needed a place to do it, and we tried to do it on public property. That wasn't working. We needed a time to do it, and we couldn't figure out what time of year was the right time of year, so that wasn't happening. And then New Jersey Repertory Theater, has their West End Art Center started fundraisers, and every year now, and this time of year is when their fundraiser is. And this year's fundraiser theme was when the circus comes to town. And so I thought, well, let's integrate. We made the tent into a circus tent.
So all in all, we felt that the Unity Tent was a great success, but it could always be better. And how it could be better, what we learned is, maybe we could have more than one person in the tent at a time. We were concerned with safety, so, we learned that we could definitely expand that more. How it could also be better is to reach different levels of the population, different people from different areas, bring more diversity in, and so that's why we're creating another event to allow that to happen.